Here we will be weaving a copy of the blanket from the Egtved Girl's grave, which is dated to the early part of the Bronze Age in Denmark. The blanket is almost 2 meters wide and 2.5 meters long. It's quite large. We're setting it up on a 2-beam loom, which we believe was used in the Bronze Age. And the warp will be set up as a form of tubular weave. But when they're finished, it will be a flat rectangular piece. And we're preparing for that by knitting 1 row of heddles to make the one shed. Now we started weaving. And as it's a tabby, we need 2 sheds. One is created with the heddles on this stick, which can either be forward as it is now or put backwards to close it. And the opposite is the so-called natural shed, is created with this stick, which can be turned, so it's lying flat to open the shed, and turned again to close it. It's a small detail in the original blanket that shows us that more people could be weaving next to each other on the loom, and that is the crossing of wefts, like we're doing here. After 11 days of weaving, we made half the blanket. As you see, the finished fabric is stored on the back of the loom. And in order to continue the weaving, we have to pull more of the fabric to the back side of the loom. Now we are approaching the end of the weaving, and the distance between the fell and the beginning of the weave is now so short that it's difficult to make the heddle shed. And to help that, we're going to remove this stick here, which is the one that allows us to open the natural shed, and only rely on the little one that's made here with the locking stick from the beginning of the weave. Now we have finished weaving, and there's only 15 centimeters left of the warp, and luckily I managed to keep the heddles in place to help me do the weaving. And now we have to take the whole piece off the loom. After the fabric's off the loom, we have to finish it in the end with the long warp ends. In the Bronze Age textiles, that's typically finished with a braid. Characteristic for the two-beam tubular warping method that we have been using is that we have looped warp ends. Therefore, they are worked in pairs when we're doing the braid. We're simply working ourselves sideways along the edge of the blanket, weaving one in like this to the others, like this. Then when a new pair is introduced, we just finish the last one by pulling it through the loop. That's it. So here we have the finished results. A huge blanket made in sheep's wool, almost 2 meters wide and 2.6 meters long. And you can imagine on a cold winter day, it would have been a lovely piece. You can fold it, it's so big you can fold it double and wrap it around you. Perhaps wear it as a garment. And here we have the whole textile outfit of the famous Egtved Girl, which we have also reconstructed.